Good afternoon, people. Hope your day is going great so far. You're there with Just Fox and we're there only for spit. Just the Fox, you see me, people? Some of them on the gram, I see Footer I post a little thing about 4th Gen boss Aidonia. That one they shocked me, you know, people. Come here and say, Janua, what going right here, so? I only say Aidonia name first. I'm going to see the accident and thing, and I say, what is? Anyway, upon doing further research, we found out that everything is okay with Aidonia. And he make it out of that one, yeah. We don't know what for sure yet really caused the accident, but all we have to say, we're really happy that the DJ make it out of that one, yeah, safe and sound. Yeah. Live to see another day. No scratches nor nothing from what I've read. So, to how I see it from Aidonia have life, you know, Aidonia can go and purchase another Benz, you know. Yeah. You know, Aidonia is one of our most prominent DJ in a dancehall. And we can't deny that. One of the most lyrical. He's a top artist in the dancehall, you know, so would I hate for hearing nothing happen to the DJ right now. You see me, I say, people? So just a small clip in the wave right now, people. So, when you comment what you think about this, what you think could have caused this. We don't really want to make no speculations without hearing the facts as yet, you see me? And I say just facts. Get the facts straight. So who know exactly what took place can share little information down below in the comment section. And you know, say yesterday Ground Godzilla I reach out to Aidonia and I say, big up yourself on the journey. Yeah, from 2006. So Killa asked the people them want to know about that journey there. When Aidonia getting breakthrough in 2006. So I'm going to read the post where Killa make. So Killa said, done so much greatness, they can't keep a good man down, much less a great one. Yeah, so Killa said, yo, Aidonia, them can't keep you down, he's a great artist. You see me? Yeah. And Killa continued to say, what y'all know about his journey 2006 was his breakthrough year. And at Reggae Sumfest, did not book him. Yeah, so Killa tag Reggae Sumfest, them never book him in 2006. Despite Killa told Johnny Guzang to book him because he would be the next big thing, they still didn't book him. So I decided to call him up. Watch the video good. How long Aidonia take to come up? I had to sing the chorus twice and even started the verse because security refused to let him up. Despite it's me, Bounty Killa, the warlord, calling him up.
To what you know, reply by telling a man. So me send him an on up, take time. Take up on the trigger and up on the burn. I do not space, the winner turn. Each of the lesson he was in man. Only nine more than I eat him start this. Can't scream like this. Oh, God, no, me no talk, me no feel. Oh, God, no fling, me no live up on it. Oh, God, I can't say so. You need your foot, yes, so hit rock. From the stick, from the stick, to which stop.
So there you have it, people. Killa and Aidonia performance back in 2006 at Reggae Sumfest. Yeah. Remember, Aidonia never booked for the show, but Killa fight for him artist and bring him on stage. Even though security wouldn't allow it, even though them wouldn't listen to him as the killer, him fight him way and make it happen. And you know, so that has always been Killa throughout the years. We're not going to stop say that, people. Killa have done so much for dancehall. You can't rewrite history. It's already done. And that's why Killa will always be one of the greatest in a dancehall. Yeah, people, you don't know. We're glad Aidonia alright, I make it out. Wanna comment, like, share, subscribe. Who not do that yet? Just Fox, I'm out.
Pull a shirt on my damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough. When I drink out the cup, that we pop cock. Pull a shirt on my damn shorts.
Hot whip. 90s baby man. 90s. You know my thing go down. Think I joke, boy.
Anyway, I see the white god. I be a bad charge, you day a foot. Money they enough like crab in a bush. Me gal but she fire shot dog, she no stoosh. Portmore,